Genesis. Why is Drive developing a robust and innovative vaccine effectiveness platform? Influenza vaccines have been widely used in Europe over the past 40 years. Vaccines are the cornerstone of preventing influenza, but their effectiveness can vary from year to year and across recipient groups. The European Medicines Agency, EMA, has requested effectiveness evaluation for all influenza vaccine brands and encouraged vaccine manufacturers to liaise with public institutions to implement a functioning infrastructure. In Europe, the market is fragmented between many manufacturers and several brands. National public health authorities are the owners of the vaccination program data. Hence, a public-private partnership is needed to establish an influenza vaccine effectiveness platform. Created in July 2017, Drive is a €10 million project funded by Innovative Medicines Initiative as part of Horizon 2020. How does Drive develop study platform governance? Where does the data come from? Data comes from a diverse selection of settings and populations with several operating sites. Consortium public partners and independent sites selected through public calls. You can join the study platform as a public partner or be selected as a research collaborator for one season through a public call. How are data analysed and by whom? Study data collection is carried out by the public partners of the consortium. Sites are asked to provide data based on generic Drive protocols written by public partners. Pan-European pooled analyses are performed by statisticians and data analysts at P95 using a pre-specified statistical analysis plan. Do vaccine manufacturers have access to the data? Vaccine manufacturers do not have access to the data. They only have access to the results when analysed. Sites own their data and contribute to the analysis and interpretation. When are the brand influenza vaccine effectiveness results available and what are they used for? The brand results are made publicly available on the Drive website in September every year. Vaccine manufacturers submit the pooled analysis report to EMA with brand-specific influenza vaccine effectiveness estimates produced by public partners to comply with their regulatory obligations. How are transparency, scientific integrity and robustness of the results ensured? The scientific integrity of the influenza vaccine effectiveness results is guaranteed by the Independent Scientific Committee. Its members have relevant expertise in the field and no affiliation with any of the Drive partners. They are not paid for their services. They endorse the scientific deliverables of the study platform, which are developed by the public partners. The Independent Scientific Committee reviews them and provides comments. The epidemiologists and statisticians from vaccine manufacturer partners are invited to provide written comments. The Independent Scientific Committee decides about the relevance of their integration. The Quality Control and Audit Committee is composed of quality assurance experts from vaccine manufacturer partners. Their mission is to evaluate the quality of the study conduct, data reporting and the pooled analysis. They ensure high data quality standards, in line with industry regulatory requirements. How does the process work during an influenza season? Every February, Drive partners identify the gaps in terms of settings, populations and brands to obtain influenza vaccine effectiveness per brand for the coming season. A call is published on the Drive website and shared with the research community in the field. In April-May, researcher proposals are firstly evaluated by the Independent Scientific Committee, secondly by the Drive Steering Committee for a qualitative assessment on relevance and budget allocation based on predefined criteria. Drive aims to cover as many influenza vaccine brands as possible in different target groups of vaccination. Data from different settings is needed regarding, for example, brand coverage and age group representation. In June-July, Drive Coordinator Fisabio establishes a contract with the selected sites. Funding comes from Innovative Medicines Initiative. In September, public partners get in touch with sites to discuss studies management and compliance with generic protocols for influenza vaccine effectiveness for the coming season. From October to April, sites collect data throughout the influenza season. In April, data are transferred and analysis is carried out by P95 using a secured platform. The Quality Control and Audit Committee also performs its quality assessment. In June, the pooled analysis report draft is produced by public partners and reviewed by the Independent Scientific Committee. The epidemiologists and statisticians from vaccine manufacturer partners are invited to provide written comments. The Independent Scientific Committee decides about the relevance of their integration. In July, results are shared and discussed with an external audience at the annual meeting. Feedback is also collected to assess how the study platform works and is perceived to get insights and improve the governance for subsequent seasons. We are building a sustainable platform which could be expanded to other vaccines and research questions in future. It provides new perspectives for scientific collaboration, promoting open data for public health benefit. Please contact us for more information.